speaking of thrifting, you want to go thrifting?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay.
Let me see. I'm gonna get on that side.
I'm drying out over there. Back to my house really quick. I'm gonna get my little camera.
Yeah.
Really quick.
Should we keep going straight or?
Yeah, we can look around that way. It goes back to my neighborhood. But we gotta come back because I'm seeing like the artistic vision for photos. On a somewhat side note, like you hear about, you know what 31 Atlas is?
I don't.
It's like they said aliens are gonna invade us. There's like some like giant object in space coming towards us. There's a bunch of cracks and shit. Like first face like that, you know?
Yeah.
And I don't really want anything like that. I just want it trimmed. And it's usually kind of hard to do that. It's kind of hard to like convey that with shit. Like,
I know what you mean, yeah.
Yeah,
Kind of explain it.
yeah, because it's like
You don't do like the finish.
Yeah, every time you do it, I low key. The way it kind of goes is like I get the haircut, and it's always kind of like poorly extending what I want. And at first, I don't really like the cut isn't like what I like envisioned, but
Okay, I'm gonna keep walking.
the scene.
Yeah.
I think the like specific stuff I should have.
Hey. What are you doing over there? Mimi?